Sometimes in 2017 and 18, the MBT began the task to establish another sector skill council to oversee the activities of TVET in care and education in Nigeria. I was privileged to be co-opted into the start-off team, and in no time was in the team of the first quality assurance assessors trained for the sector.
Dr. Olubukola, thank you for bringing this up to all of us. I think all private schools, in one way or the other, at least those who have the capacity, will key into this program. I'm highly interested in this.
Whatsoever that is endowed in you, you have to try to recreate, procreate, innovate, and ensure that that creation is recognized. And that is what makes you outstanding. So for her, ladies and gentlemen, I think we need to give her another powerful round of applause.
We must revisit the policy on TVET again and then commend what Dr. Dosunmu is trying to do at this local level.
This new generation is not interested in waiting painfully and working hard, in quotes, to get to Uhuru. And that is the correct thinking, because it's a global thinking. People want quick results. How do we give them quick results? We cannot deliver quick results to their livelihoods in these ways that we are going about. So, acquiring functional skills, using the language of the youth, packaging it the right way, so that you are not Mama Jamila at the back of the Angwangwa Balada, who is a tailor, but you rather become Biola Sego, who is in Victoria land, will have fashion parlor, and then if you want an Ashwebi doctor, that will cost you about 5 million naira. What do you say?
Poor public perception and participation. This is what has been, and it is, and we don't know. Probably with the stepping in of this organization, the 4 P's will change.
I started out this journey, and here we are today. 50 years old is not an ordinary thing. For me, I just think I'm one of those birthdays. But when you've had mentors and sisters that have gone ahead, family members, and you've seen milestone things in their lives, that really reflects. And that was when I started succumbing to everything. I appreciate God for making this possible. I want to thank God for the life of my aged mother. It's 5-year-old mother in Ibadan. I believe she's online at the moment. I miss my late dad. These are the things that Daddy cherished, giving back to the community. I'm so grateful for all my siblings abroad and those that are here today. And Auntie and Jimmy. They really made my day. I want to appreciate the board of trustees of Toddlers in Education Foundation, my mentors that are seated here today, people that I wouldn't have been where I am today without them. The National Board for Technical Education representative, thank you so much. Representatives from the Office of the Vice Chancellor, the Director of Science and Technical Colleges, coordinators of GMEs, stakeholders, NAPS, FCT, and so many others around.